Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So we're gonna be working on the car today and we're gonna add the diffuser. Stay tuned. All right, so what we're doing now is just cleaning off the lower part of the bumper so that the diffuser has a clean surface to get to. So I just took some like degreaser all-purpose cleaner, wiped it off. I'm gonna use alcohol so it dries quicker and just get rid of any residue that's left, and then we'll get it fitted. Fitted it, but I wanted to show you guys this right here. So I cut the strips so that we can have something to grab onto once we put the diffuser on. You can pull the strip away and slap it on. It also comes with self-tapping screws to hold it in place. Yeah, that needs to definitely get fixed. So there you guys have it, the Stillen Diffuser on my Lexus IS300. I think it looks pretty good for what it is. Gives it some styling, gives it a different vibe, a different feel. So hopefully you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe. I want to continue to bring more car and coffee content. And last thing we're gonna put on there is this little remark license plate. Call it good. Until next time, thanks, peace.